A delegation from Murdoch University comprising 10 students and their professor arrived at Geeta University. The students took part in a 10-day-long study project titled Artificial Intelligence and Nanotechnology Integration in India. As part of the new Colombo Plan, they participated in various activities which enhanced their understanding of the use of these technologies in crime solving. The visitors attended several lectures and workshops on emerging technologies. Delegates were thrilled to take part in various hands-on activities involving role play and crime solving. The guests also learned much about the methods followed for crime solving in India through their educational visits. The delegates had great fun during the activities aimed at helping them relax.
Hi, my name is Elavina Williams. I'm from Perth, Western Australia, and I'm currently studying at Murdoch University. I'm in my final year of forensic biology, toxicology and biomedical science. I've had the privilege of being chosen for the new Colombo Plan at the beautiful Geeta University. We arrived last week. We've had such an amazing experience from day one. We've done various activities from real life crime scenes. We've been to the hospital and looked at the bodies in the morgue. We've learned lots through lectures such as crime sciences and AI, and it's been just such a amazing experience. I feel like I've learned a lot. We've also been very immersed in the culture and the local culture. We've been to lots of temples and done lots of amazing outside activities as well. So it's been an experience, especially for someone who's never been overseas like myself. Geeta University have been so opening and welcoming to us all as a crew, and we've had such an amazing time. It's going to be so sad to go, but hopefully this will open up more pathways for more future opportunities for other students to come to Geeta University and study with the new Colombo Plan.
Geeta University, Panipat, powering education, empowering mind.